friends, today I'm going to share my sport journey. Unique tourist destination in Dubai which is called Hatta Kayak. The lake is formed by Hatta Dam and it is surrounded by beautiful mountains. This combination of water and mountains is becoming so popular and attractive for those who seek relaxation in nature place and experience practicing of kayak sport in Dubai. If you want to find happy balance between work, family and friends, then this is the place to visit. I think this is a safety guard. He roam around the dam. It's a very safe place. किसी को अगर डर है पानी से, so no need to worry about it. My kayak is floating itself. I don't need to paddle it. If you have never tried kayaking before, then don't worry. The lake waters allow for both beginners and experts to share this experience together. This place is like meditation for me. Whenever I come, I refresh myself. See this? So amazing. For the rental equipment, you will find a great deal of choice like single kayak, double kayaks, paddle boats, water bike and even doughnut boats. So friends, if you like the combination of water, mountains and sky, then must visit place. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and see you in next vlog.